Pisces, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is open up to the universe. Now, this is one of the times to listen for wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. Pardon. It's time for us to hit our knees and pray, have a prayer life. Go to the floor or outside, have a meditation life, or just go out to nature and listen. The thing is about when you open up to the universe, I need you to ask for wisdom, knowledge, understanding, and ask for what the universe, Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ, has for you to learn next and understand. And then, as we have one mouth and two ears, after you speak that, I need you to listen. Start with 5 minutes, 10 minutes. If you can do it 20 minutes a day, and just sit and listen, because there's a message for you that Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ is going to give you as a download. They might actually have you walk into the right person and they'll give you the right advice, but have a teachable and open spirit for when you get your download, when you get these words of wisdom, you use it, because you are a life changer. And it's going to make your life much easier. It's going to give you the easy answer of what the next step is, where you sustain and also maintain. But also, it's not about surviving. It's about living. You're finding your purpose. So you want to find your purpose. Fall in love with your service. And life is going to be worth living. I'm discovering my worth and my abilities and my gifts. I'm confident in my value and my gifts. I reclaim my inner power. I accept and love myself completely. Thus, I open up to the divine light of the universe. You go with the flow. You allow them to give you the downloads and tell you what you should do, who you are, and therefore you come out and shine, baby, shine, and you change the entire world. I need you. The whole entire world needs you. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.